Good morning. Welcome back to our channel Asa Life in the Dubai blog section. In this video, I'll be discussing about how much I had to pay for my car wash in Dubai. Obviously, if you go out of Dubai, the cost is less in Ajman or Sharjah side. But if you're in Dubai, how much I had to pay for a car wash, like twice a week or once in a month. So today I'm here to have a car wash in one of the petrol pump. It's Pro Wash. If you come here, there are two options. Either you can go a auto wash or you can go for a manual wash. For auto wash, it is 35 dirham only. But there is also option in manual wash. We have two options. Either we can go a normal manual wash or extreme. In extreme, they do also engine wash with a force. So the price for auto wash is 35 dirham AED. For manual wash, for normal manual wash, it is 45 for the small car, and for the SUV big car is 49. And for the extreme wash for both the car, it is around 110 AED. So today I'm going for a Pro Wash with the engine wash, 110 AED. So you can see here I'm in the line for a Pro Wash. Today it's crowded because it's a holiday, so I have to wait at least more than 45 minutes. Normally it takes 30 to 45 minutes for a manual wash for my car. So if you compare the price with other country, I'm paying 110 AED for my full extreme wash, which is around 2,500 in rupee, or 30 euro or $30 is the price I have to spend in Dubai for my car wash. So I don't know what is in the other country, how much you have to pay. So this is my one of the expense for my car for a car wash. You can say twice a month. So I had to pay 220 euro. I had to pay 220 dirham twice a month on my car for my car wash. So this is the expense for my car. Plus, if you go to Pro Wash, always you will get one scratch offer. So last time I came here, so I got 50% discount next wash. So today I will be paying half of 110, that is around 55 AED for my extreme wash. So this is one of the advantage. There is one more advantage. This car wash is open 24 hours. So if you're not getting time in the daytime, at night anytime you can come. It's 24 hours open. So I'm done with a cleaning. It took around 30 minutes, but there was a waiting, yes, but to clean it took 30 minutes for my car. So this was the video regarding how much it cost in Dubai to wash a car. So see you, bye, take care.